Meaning of equilibrium.
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 Equilibrium. Equilibrium is a state of balance or stability that occurs when opposing forces are equal and there is no net change in the system. In an equilibrium state, there is no inclination for the system to move in a particular direction because the forces acting on it are perfectly balanced. This state can be present in various fields, such as physics, chemistry, and economics. In physics, for example, equilibrium can occur when two opposing forces, such as gravity and air resistance, are equal, resulting in a stationary object.